Today we'll be looking at drivers who got well-deserved instant karma, starting off with the guy in this SUV who flipped his lid for I don't even know what reason. He literally stops traffic for a bit, gets out and freaks out, but he had no idea that he did that in front of a cop. So yeah, that was not very smart. I think he should have checked his mirror. If only he had checked his rear view mirror, or better yet, not road raged at all. Next up, the guy in the white truck pays the toll and goes on his way, but for whatever reason, the guy driving the blue truck behind him thought he was too good to pay the toll and literally breaks the barrier, but not without some well-deserved justice. The trucker literally blows out multiple tires at once. That is just funny. Shows his truck was a little bit too wide though. In the next clip, this is the best out of them all. The driver literally brake checks. What a complete moron right here. Good old Russian road rage. The guy gets out looking for a fight, and the filming driver doesn't want to fight, so he literally slams on the gas and hits the road rager's open door. Probably should have closed that. And you know what? I take it back. I lied, because this is the best clip by far. This trucker was driving when a car driver decided to be entitled and not let him merge. He literally stops his car, gets out to road rage, and the trucker hits the gas, but it doesn't go as intended. Watch what happens. That has got to hurt quite a bit. Road rage is not smart.
Get out!
I'd recommend he put ice on that leg.